everybody! Welcome to a very special episode of Daddy's Toy Kingdom. Guess what, guys? We won a giveaway! Ouch! Yay! I want to give a special shout out to Marina and Harbor of Marinas Toy Box. They have a very great channel that talks mostly about girls' toys. We've learned a lot about girls' toys from them, like LOL surprises and toys like that. Check out the link in the description below to visit their channel. Anyway, guys, do you want to open this up?
Yeah.
Let's grab the scissors and see what's inside. Got the scissors? Let's open up the package and listen to that. Do you hear that pleasant music? Yeah, I hear it too. It's great.
Dun, 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 dun. You are
Dun, 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 dun. Well, this package is scissor resistant. I guess I'll have to use my daddy's muscle kingdom strength. Ouch. Okay, let's see.
It's funny.
The first thing we have inside,
The Mash'em.
it's a Batman Mash'em.
That's my Batman.
Oh, the Batman Mash'em is Jeremy's. The next thing inside is very heavy. It's Kinetics sand. Wow, I'll have to try that out. You like Kinetics sand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put that here.
I love that.
It's super heavy. The next thing we have
Pasta.
is a Fizz Surprise. Wow, look. It's some kind of, well, it's kind of like a bath bomb. You put it in water, and then you find your dinosaur inside. And if we look at the back, it says you can build your dino. So it has pieces inside that you put together to build a dinosaur.
I don't forget that.
So we will put this together a little bit later on.
Open my Mash'em.
We'll open the Mash'em a little bit later.
What's going to be?
The next toy inside is...
What's going to be?
It's a Jurassic World gyrosphere.
It's the same one.
It's a cool Jurassic World Matchbox toy.
That's another one.
And it's another one just like the first Jurassic World. We've got the sequel. We'll put it right there. Oh, Jeremy's got this one.
Dragon!
Dragon droppings. So this is a bag full of dragon poop. What does a dragon say? Roar! And they especially roar when they go poo-poo. Daddy's Toy Kingdom. Hello, Jacob and Jeremy. Marina had fun picking out stuff for you guys. Congrats on winning our giveaway. You're such a fun family and we enjoy your channel. Hope you enjoy all the fun surprises. Love, Marina's Toy Box. Thank you, Marina's Toy Box. All these toys are super cool and I can't wait to open. Let's start with this Batman Mash'em. Let's see if I can guess what's inside. I'm gonna say it's Riddler. Do you think it's Riddler?
No.
No? What do you think it is?
Gonna know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't opened a Mash'em in a while.
What's going to be?
Let's just use our scissors.
It's going to be.
Ah! Okay, you open it up and see who's inside. It is...
It's not a Joker?
It's the Joker! It's a Joker! Yay! It's a Mash'em Joker. Is he squishy?
Yeah.
He's funny.
It's another Joker. Two Jokers now.
They had a Joker before, but they accidentally popped it. So now they have a replacement for that Joker. Love that Joker.
Dragon poop.
I guess they want dragon poop next. I don't know what this is going to be like. It feels really liquidy in the package. It says, it brimstones in the poo. Don't know what that means? Want to find out?
Yeah. It's a dragon round poop.
It's a dragon poop?
Ah! Fucking Joker.
It's funny.
There's
Wow.
a poop.
Let me clean the table a little. Let's see what it looks like when it hits the ground. And... oh my. Wow. It's...
So many dinosaur poop.
bloop, 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 bloop. It's dragon poop.
Yeah.
It's got chunks. It's got chunks of unicorns and Pokemon and minions and whatever else that dragon ate. Maybe he ate a knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight. But yeah, that's dragon droppings. it's super.
Dragon poop.
It's dragon poop. High five. Nice.
it.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it jiggly?
Is it
Jiggly wiggly dragon poop.
a dragon?
Want to make it feel more like poop? Let's do this. Squish it. It's dragon poop. I got it all over my hands now. That's awesome. Dragon droppings. That is a really fun, squishy slime toy. If you love slime, check out dragon droppings. So I have an idea. Let's take our Jurassic World gyrosphere.
Yeah.
And we'll have it roll. See the little gyrosphere? He's rolling. It's rolling. It's not a he, it's an it. It's rolling. See the little chair inside? Ooh, it's cool, right? Oh no, it's stuck in the dragon droppings. Ooh. It's a Jurassic World poop attack. See, that is funny. The next toy we're going to do is the Fizz and Surprise dinosaur. There's 28 dinosaurs inside. Well, to find. We're going to get one of them. Let's see which one it is.
Who's going to be?
Who's it going to be?
No, who's it going to be?
Who's it going to be?
Which dinosaur?
Do you think it's Dilophosaurus?
No.
You think it's Tyrannosaurus?
No.
You think it's Triceratops?
No. Open this up. Look, I got chicken in the bathtub.
Let's
I
cut
got
this
chicken.
open
Let's go
as
drop
I
it in.
struggle with the packaging again. It's funny, right?
Hear the echo. I want to blanket.
This is egg number 19. 19. I don't know what that means. But someone wrote that on there with a pen. By hand, if you can see that. That's crazy. It's written by hand. That's amazing. Let's open up bag number 19. Or 61. Maybe.
I'm gonna splash it. You gotta splash it in my face.
No, don't splash it in your face. Let's open up
In
our
your
bath bomb.
face.
It doesn't smell like anything. So it's not actually a bath
Let
bomb.
me smell it.
Ready, guys?
Please.
Let's drop it in the water. Can you count down from 3? 3, 2,
Two,
1, go!
Gonna be.
Who's it gonna be? Who do you think it's gonna be?
Oh, it's yellow!
It's like the Minions, right?
It's yellow! Yellow.
Wow, it's got yellow smoke and everything coming off the top.
So much smoke. Who's gonna be?
Who's it gonna be in there?
Who's gonna be in
Oh, I see a dinosaur coming out.
Ooh. It's a skeleton one. It's a skeleton.
It's a skeleton, it looks like. Maybe.
Is it? What's that?
What is it?
Let me take it. Let's take it out.
Want me to take it out, guys?
Yeah.
Let's find out what dinosaur it is. Oh, I'll put my hand in the yellow pitcher. And it is... Ooh, look.
I'm missing the tail.
The tail's probably still in there. It looks like an Ankylosaurus.
There's no tail.
But we need his club tail. Oop, that's not a tail. It's in here somewhere. There it is.
You found his tail.
Oh, it's not an Ankylosaurus. I'm not sure what it is. It kind of looks like an Ankylosaurus, but it doesn't have a club tail. We'll figure it out. If you know, leave the answer in the comments below. Do you guys like your little dinosaur?
Yeah.
It's got moving arms, moving legs, a moving tail, and a moving head. So that's a really neat toy inside that Fizzy Surprise. You want to play with it, Jake?
Yeah.
There you go. So the last toy inside this package is Kinetic Sand. And I dropped my scissors. Let's pick them up, cut it open.
You didn't build my dinosaur.
You want to build a dinosaur?
I'll be free dinosaur.
Let's cut it
I'll
along
be
the
free
line here.
T-Rex. No, you gonna build a Palosaurus.
So inside the package, we've got blue and green kinetic sand. Who wants blue? Who wants green?
I want green. I want blue.
Okay.
I want
So here's green kinetic
you want
sand.
to turn it into the Palosaurus.
You want an Apatosaurus? So this is kinetic sand. It kind of feels like scratchy Play-Doh. So we've got our blue sand out. I've been requested to build an Apatosaurus. So let's do our best. First,
What a Palosaurus. I make a mud.
you made mud, green mud. So we got little legs here. Oops. It's really soft, so it's really easy to play.
You want to build a Palosaurus.
Apatosaurus, we'll get him 4 little legs so he can stand.
I can stand.
And we'll give him a big long neck, okay? Yay, there's your Apatosaurus. Is that funny? Yay! So that's our kinetic sand. It's really fun. It's like squishy, sandy Play-Doh. So thank you very much, Marinas Toy Box. These toys are extra fun. We'll fix it. Thank you very much, Marinas Toy Box. And all these toys are excellent. They're fun. This giveaway was great. And if you like this video, please make sure to click like and subscribe to the channel. And also check out Marinas Toy Box.